Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix mouse scroll wheel if it's going up and down or jumping. Okay, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, for example, you scroll maybe down and it's always jumping on the pages like up and down, right? Okay, here are some fixes that doesn't need dismantling your mouse, all right, or totally opening it up. Okay, first up, you have these sides on the mouse, okay? Left and right. You're gonna wanna blow some air right here. Like you could use your mouth. Just blow it, all right? Left and right, and go ahead and try it. Also, you notice that the mouse wheel right here, when you move it left and right, there are some clearance, okay? You're gonna wanna try to move it, like fix it to the center, like so. You're gonna hear some clicks, like, for example, I don't know if you can hear it. Okay, then try to scroll. Now, if that doesn't help, go ahead over to your computer right here. Open up your search bar and type in scroll. Now go ahead and click on mouse settings. And here we have the lines to scroll. Go ahead and try, maybe put this one to 3. Okay, or 5 below. All right, just keep it that way. If you go ahead over to 6 and more, it will definitely jump, okay, as it will scroll many pages. And that's basically it. If that doesn't help, well, the problem is in the mouse itself. Okay, you might want to get it checked by a local technician, or if it's still under warranty, you can go ahead and get it replaced. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.